FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. A California woman counting her lucky stars and tubs of yogurt after she safely made it out of a snowstorm that left her stranded in the wilderness for 6 days. According to the Lassen County Sheriff's Office, 52-year-old Sheena Gullett and her friend, Justin Lonich, 48, traveled on dirt roads off of Highway 44 in Northern California on April 14 when their vehicle became trapped in the snow. The two spent the night inside the vehicle, but by the following day, its battery was dead. Gullett and Lonich then decided to walk back to the highway to find help but became separated once the soles of Gullett's boots came apart. Lonich eventually made a campfire and set out the following morning to continue his walk to Highway 44. Justin was able to reach Highway 44, where he hitched a ride into Susanville from a passerby, the sheriff's office said. Thereafter, he reported what happened and Sheena was stranded in the forest, possibly with their vehicle. Because Lonich was unfamiliar with the area, he had trouble directing emergency personnel to the Gullett's approximate location. But sheriff's deputies, sergeants, detectives, and U.S. Forest Service personnel searched for Gullett each day. Despite their efforts, which included a helicopter search of the area, the teams could not locate Gullett. Then, on April 20, Lonich and several officers drove through the area's dirt roads and spotted the vehicle around 3 p.m. that afternoon. The sheriff's office said a very emotional, but physically okay Gullett stepped out immediately after. Gullett told the officers that she ate yogurt and snow during her days alone. During the 6 days Sheena was stranded, she rationed a 6-pack of yogurt, eating one per day. She did not have any water and had been eating snow, they said. Gullett also said that she saw the helicopter fly over a few days earlier, but they could not see her since she was in a heavily wooded area. The Lassen County Sheriff's Office command staff commends the efforts of all personnel involved in searching for and locating Sheena, the sheriff's office wrote. Through their efforts, Sheena was found safe and is now back home, they added. Also, special thanks go out to the California Highway Patrol and the U.S. Forest Service for their assistance.